Hello guys, today we'll be making a Sungka game board. This is a Filipino version of the MANCALA. This is to be done in DIY. We'll be using some recycled materials like these cups. We need 14 pieces of this for 7 on the A side and 7 on the B side. We need also a medium food container, recycled also, a medium size, about 5 inches to 4 inches in dimension. So we have the beads here, which corresponds to 7 pieces in each of the cup. Also, the cups will be 7 pieces on the side A and 7 pieces on the side B. Now, to do this, we need some of our materials. And these materials are Now, these are our material. We have 2 pieces of a whiteboard measured 8 inches by 30 inches. And we need also this one. This is a small cup, recycled, 14 pieces of this. And here is the dimension. We have the top diameter of 3 inches, bottom diameter of 2 inches, and the height is 2 inches. 7 pieces for the side A, 7 pieces for side B. And again, we have to have a food container medium 2 pieces, which will measure about 5 to 6 inches and 4.5 inches in width. The height is with the same height as the small cup, which is 2 inches. And we need also these beads that will comprises of the playing beads for the Sungka. And we need a double-sided tape. This is our double-sided tape to be used for attaching the small cup and the medium cup on the whiteboard. Now we have our tools needed for this project. We have meter in inches. We have cutter knife. Be cautious because the cutter knife is very sharp. And we have our square. This is our square. We have the 2 inches diameter sample for circle guide for drawing the circle on our board. We have the scissor and the pencil. So the first thing to do is cut actually the 2 pieces of board, and then we have to lay out our pieces, the two medium food container on both sides, and the seven small circle here that will hold the small cups, which has bottom diameter of 2 inches and the top diameter is 3 inches. Okay, drawing that, you have to consider first drawing a small, the bigger circle at 3 inches, that is the top diameter, and then duplicating all the way into the board. Now inside the 3 inches circle, we will draw our 2 inches diameter circle. That will be our guide on taping or installing the 14 pieces of the cup, small cup. Now I have here a sample of a small cup already with a double-sided tape attached to it. So this cup will be to remove first the white filament, and then it should be placed like that. Okay. So each one of this should be put in every of the 2 inches circle, and then also on the side will be the food container, medium size on both sides. This will be the home of the side A and the home of the side B. Now the second board, which measure also 8 by 30 inches, will be used as a backing material for our first board to make it a little bit stronger, because this white board is a little bit thin. When you see this, see, this is a little bit thin, about only a quarter of inches in thickness. So we will reinforce the first board, which has a layout already, and then to make it a little bit stronger. Now to see the transformation, we have the white board on the first line, which is about the 8 inches by 30 inches, which is still blank. Now once we lay out everything from the medium size food container, left and right, and then the 7 circles which corresponds for every side, which is side A and side B. That is where you should attach the small cup with a double-sided tape at the bottom. Now, to see the final result of these things, I have put some numbers. It is 1 to 7 on side A, and then 1 to 7 also on side B. And then we have the home. This is they call the home, which is for the side B, which is the medium size container, food container, and this is for the side A, the same size as the one on the side B. So that will be the home of the two opponents, A and B. A will be for the other guy, and B will be for his opponent or her opponent. So from the transformation from the blank whiteboard, layouting the calculated position for the 7 pieces for side A, and calculation also the same as the one for side B, which correspond to 7 position. The blue circle corresponds to 2 inches, which is the size at the bottom size of the cup being used. From there on, that will be our finished product. This is a DIY budgeted recycled material for Sungka game board. That is a Filipino version of the MANCALA games. Now this game has been from the Philippines 17 centuries ago, something like that. So for game tutorial, there's a lot of YouTube upload for game tutorial for Sungka. So might as well search for Sungka game board, Filipino style. And thank you, and we'll upload another maybe sooner, a more sturdier or much more better game board made out of also some materials found in hobbyist store. Thank you and see you again.